Hi, welcome to Creative Mind Academy. Today I'm going to show you some tips and tricks in CorelDraw 2021 and below. Please like and subscribe to my channel for more tutorials. Let's start by drawing a circle, and we can draw a circle by choosing the ellipse tool. The ellipse tool here. Now let's draw a perfect circle by holding down hold down Control as you click and drag. Now let's make a duplicate of this circle. So let's pick the pick tool. Now hold down Shift as you click and drag towards the middle. Now, without releasing your mouse, right click. Now you should get something like this. Now let's select the two circles. Let's select the two circles. Now with this icons here, let's select trim. We are selecting the trim icon at this side. Now let's click. Now let's delete the middle one. This one, let's delete this. So you should get something like this. Now let's select the rectangle tool again. The rectangle tool. This. Now let's draw a rectangle. And let's place it at the middle. At the middle. Okay. Something like this. Now, like this, you should get something like this. Now, let's select the rectangle and the circle together. So, as the rectangle is selected, hold down Shift as you click on the circle. You see, something like this. Now let's select at the icons at the top here. Let's select back manuals front. This one, this very one. Now click. So you should get something like this. You should get something like this. Now let's use the interactive fill tool to give it a color. You can choose any color you want, but I'm going to go for red here and black here. These are the colors I'm going to go with. You can choose any color you want, or whatever color that you think is nice for you. So with this, let's use the pick tool. First, let's take off the outline. Let's take off the outline. Now you can remove the outline from here, or you can hold down Alt and click, and you left click here to remove it like this. So you should get something like this. Now we are going to add a 3D effect here. So let's select this. Now let's go to the tools panel and let's select extrude. Let's select the extrude, the last but one tool here. We have shadows, contour, blend, distort, envelope, and extrude before block shadow. So let's select the extrude tool. Now with the extrude tool, let's click and drag. So you should get something like this. You should get a shape like this. Let me zoom in so you see. You should get a shape like this. Now we are going to rotate it. So we are going to rotate it so that you can see the 3D effects correctly. So let's go to this shape, extrude rotation. When you click, this 3 number will show. Let's drag it here. So now to rotate it, now let me hold here and rotate. Yes, something like this. Now let's hold this line here and drag it up. Drag it up a little. Okay, something like this. Something like this. It's okay. Now let's rotate it again. Take it there so that we can see what we are doing. Okay, I think I will go for something like this. I'll go for something like this. Now let's make a copy of this by clicking and dragging without releasing. Right click. Now let's rotate this shape again. Just this. Like this. Now let's rotate the top like this. Yeah, so something like this. Now let's change this color here by going to the interactive fill tool again, and this time I'll change the red to blue or any color you want. Something like this.